Alright, let's look at the homework 2, problem number 2. Alright, so we want to find the first three terms of the Taylor series for cube root of x centered at x equals 8. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so remember that each coefficient, so you have Cn can be found by taking the nth derivative and evaluate it at a, and then divide by n factorial. Right? So let's find C0. So that's the very first one. C0 is simply f of, in this case, a is 8 divided by, so there's no derivative, so 0 factorial, which is going to be equal to 1. So this is just going to be, so that's 1, so I'm not going to worry about that. And this is just going to be a cube root of 8, which is equal to 2. Right? So the Taylor series, so f of x, and the first term would be 2. Right? Alright, and in order to find the C1, we need to find the derivative. So let's see, let's find the derivative first. F prime of x is going to be equal to, alright, so cube root, I don't like the way it's written. Cube root is equivalent to 1/3 power, right? Then we can take the derivative. So it's 1/3 in front, x. Then we subtract the 1 from 1/3, so it's negative 2/3 power. Right? So once you know the first derivative, we can find the C1. Right? C1 is equal to. All right. So what we do is we're going to plug in 8 in here. So it's going to be f prime of 8 over 1 factorial. Alright, which is equal to, alright, 1 factorial is 1, so I'm not going to worry about that. Alright, so it's going to be 1/3. Alright, so plug in 8, so it's going to be 8 to the negative 2/3 power. Alright, so let's apply. So if you take the 1/3 power, that's going to be, let's see, 8 to the 1/3 is going to be 2. Alright. Then you have to square that, so 2 squared is 4, right? Then negative power is reciprocal, so it's going to be 1/4. So it's going to be 1/3 times this is 1/4, so 1 over 12, right? So we got C1. So the next term would be plus 1/12 times x minus 8. Right? Then plus, right? So I'm going to let you do this one. So in order to find C2, you're going to have to take the second derivative. Then you can just do C2 is equal to f double prime of 8 over 2 factorial, right? Then whatever you find, it's going to go here. So I'm going to just write it as C2. So you're going to have to find it. Then you're going to have x minus 8 squared, right, and so on, right? So whatever you get here, you're gonna have to put it in here. So I will let you guys finish it. All right, so that's how you find the first three terms of Taylor series for cube root of x centered at x equals 8. All right, that's it. I hope that this will get you going.